Hey guys, and welcome back to another video on my YouTube channel. This video is all about solving past paper questions on trigonometry. So let's get started. We're going to be solving question 6 from paper 4, variant 2, May-June 2024. Here's part A of question 6. It says ABCD is a quadrilateral with AB equals to 10.4 centimeters and AD equals to 6.5 centimeters. Angle DAB equals to 64 degrees, angle BDC equals to 26 degrees, and angle DBC equals to 42 degrees. Show that BD equals to 9.55 centimeters, correct to 2 decimal places. Okay, so we are finding this side BD, and we have the angle opposite to it, which is 64 degrees. We also have the sides between which this angle lies. This means we have all the values we need to apply the cosine rule formula for finding a missing side length. So, substituting the values respectively into the formula, we get BD squared equals to 6.5 squared plus 10.4 squared minus 2 into 6.5 into 10.4 into the cosine of 64. Simplifying, we get BD squared equals to 91.1422, and so on. Next, we take the square root of both sides. This gives us BD equals to 9.5468, and so on. According to the question, we have to show the value of BD correct to 2 decimal places. So, rounding to 2 decimal places gives us BD equals to 9.55. Therefore, BD equals to 9.55 centimeters. This completes the answer for part A. Now to solve for part 1 of part B. It says to show that angle BCD equals to 112 degrees. So this is angle BCD, which we have to show is 112 degrees. We know that the sum of all the angles in a triangle equals to 180 degrees. This means that the sum of all the angles in triangle BCD equals to 180 degrees. In other words, 26 degrees plus 42 degrees plus angle BCD equals to 180 degrees. Now, we can solve this equation for angle BCD. Simplifying, we get 68 degrees plus angle BCD equals to 180 degrees. Then we subtract 68 degrees from both sides. This gives us angle BCD equals to 112 degrees. This completes the answer for part 1 of part B. Now to solve for part 2 of part B. It says to calculate CD. So we have to find the length of this side CD. We know the value of angle BCD and the value of BD, which is the side opposite to angle BCD. We also know we have to find the length of the side CD, and we also know the value of the angle opposite to side CD, which is 42 degrees. So we have 2 pairs of angles with their opposite sides respectively, where the value of CD is unknown. This means we can use the sine rule formula for a missing side length to calculate CD. Substituting the values respectively into the formula gives us CD over the sine of 42 equals to 9.5468, and so on over the sine of 112. Note that we are not using the rounded value of BD because the longer value will give us a more accurate final answer. Moving back to the calculation, now we solve for CD. Multiply both sides by the sine of 42. This gives us CD equals to 6.8897, and so on. Rounding to 3 significant figures, we get that CD equals to 6.89 centimeters, which is the answer. Now to solve for part C. It says to find the shortest distance from D to AB. Okay, so the shortest distance from D to AB is the distance from D that is perpendicular to AB. I've represented this distance with a red line here. I've also labeled this red line's length as x centimeters. As you can see, as AB and this red line are perpendicular to each other, they are at right angles to each other. This means that these 2 triangles are right-angled triangles. So we can find the distance from D to AB using SOHCAHTOA. We know angle DAB is 64 degrees, and we also know that the hypotenuse of this right-angled triangle is 6.5 centimeters. We are also solving for the side opposite to angle DAB, which is x centimeters. Since we are dealing with the opposite and the hypotenuse, we can solve for x using the sign of theta equals to opposite over hypotenuse. Substituting respectively gives us the sign of 64 equals to x over 6.5. Now we solve for x. Multiply both sides by 6.5. Entering the sign of 64 into 6.5 into a calculator gives 5.8421, and so on. Rounding to 3 significant figures gives us 5.84 equals to x. Therefore, the answer is 5.84 centimeters. Thanks for watching. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below and I'll be happy to answer them for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. To find more videos like this, please visit the playlist. I'll be back with another video soon.